How to fix this setting is disabled on managed browser. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're encountering this frustrating message, this setting is disabled on managed browsers. While using Google Chrome on your Windows device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix the issue quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome. Once you're in, click on three dots in the top right corner of the browser. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Then, scroll down until you see Security option and click on it. Here, you'll want to look for the Secure DNS settings. If it grayed out, that's likely the cause of your issues. If it's not grayed out, you can simply turn it on. If the Secure DNS is disabled, we need to take a different approach. Head over to your search bar and type Registry Editor and open it up. In the registry editor, you will see a location path. I recommend pausing the video here to take the note of this path. Copy it and then navigate to the location in the registry editor. Once you're in the right location, look for the Google folder, click on it and you should see the Chrome entries. Select the entries related to Chrome and then click on Delete. If you encounter any issues deleting them, you can delete the entire folder and all its subkeys. And you made the changes. It's important to restart your device. Once it's back, open Chrome again. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.